So I'm trying the Somatic Prayer app. It's really simple. You just open up the app and say whatever's on your mind or in your body. It could be something you're moving through or something you're grateful for, basically anything at all. You don't have to be eloquent. You can stumble, pause, ramble, cry, whisper. There's no wrong way to show up. So I'm going to give it a go. And there's an option here to create a prayer. So here goes. I'm just wanting to open my heart more. I've been holding a lot lately, and I really want to be able to soften and relax, to feel more love and more connection, maybe just with myself first, and just not feeling like I have to rush. I want to be more present with my own heart. So yeah, I'm just asking for some help to feel more open and to trust and to feel safe to love again. Okay, so it's just transcribing now. Sending that in. Take a breath. Your prayer is being created. And your prayer is ready. Okay, so here's my prayer, and there's an audio that I can play and have it read to me. And then if I want to, I can save it to the journal and keep on building a nice journal full of meaningful and helpful prayers.
Opening to love. Take a slow, deep breath, inviting the air to fill your lungs fully. As you exhale, feel the weight you've been carrying gently settle down. In this moment, acknowledge the sacred courage it takes to open your heart. Recognize the desire to soften, to be present with yourself. It's okay to feel the tension that sometimes mingles with your longing for connection. These emotions are part of what makes you beautifully human. Allow your focus to drift inward, toward your heart center, where warmth and kindness reside. Offer yourself the grace of patience. There is no rush, there's just this steady unfolding. Imagine your heart as a flower, each petal unfurling gently in its own time, responding to the light of your own intention and care. Amidst life's currents, know that each step you take toward openness is meaningful. Trust in the process that guides you. Even when answers seem elusive or the path appears unclear, remember that every question and uncertainty is an opportunity for deeper understanding and growth. Feel your feet grounded firmly upon the earth, supporting you as you navigate this journey. The earth beneath you is unwavering, a constant reminder of stability and reassurance. With each breath, let go of any fears or doubts that may weigh heavily upon you. You are supported by forces seen and unseen, offering subtle guidance as you walk forward. Invite trust into your being. Let its gentle presence spread through your veins like a warm stream. Know that opening your heart doesn't mean being vulnerable without protection. Instead, it's about embracing the strength within your tenderness. Extend compassion toward yourself as you would to a dear friend. Speak kindly in the silence of your heart, allowing space for healing and transformation. In moments of solitude, let self-love be a beacon guiding you toward peace and acceptance. When emotions arise, engage with them softly. Let them flow through you like a river, knowing they are temporary visitors on this path of renewal and discovery. You are not alone. Love is around you, patiently waiting for acknowledgement and welcoming arms. May this intention support your journey, to open without forcing, to love without condition, to trust without fear. As you move through each day, let these words be woven into the fabric of your heart. I am becoming who I am meant to be. The prayer is lifted. It is free.
And if it's meaningful, you can save it in a journal.